Welcome to our Python tutorial. Today, we'll dive into the fascinating world of anagrams and learn how to check if two words are anagrams of each other using Python. An anagram is a word or phrase formed by rearranging the letters of another word or phrase using all the original letters exactly once. For example, listen and silent are anagrams. Let's start by defining a Python function called isAnagram that takes two strings as input and checks if they are anagrams. The isAnagram function first converts the input strings into sorted lists of characters using the sorted function. This step is crucial as it ensures that even if the letters are in different orders, they will be considered equal if they are anagrams. Next, the function compares the sorted lists. If they are equal, it means that the input strings are anagrams, and the function returns true. In our example, listen and silent are indeed anagrams, so the function returns true. This code demonstrates several useful Python tricks. The sorted function is used to sort the characters in a string, allowing us to compare two strings regardless of their original order. Additionally, list comprehensions are used to convert strings into lists of characters efficiently. Understanding anagrams and these Python tricks can be helpful in various applications such as word games, puzzles, and even text processing tasks. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more Python tutorials.